Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Century. It's the Ultra Sport model. It fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. White in color, somewhat white. It's not bad shape. It has a couple small issues, but it's not horribly bad. No paint damage on the sides there. Top looks good. The top edge looks nice here. No paint damage. Front edge on this side looks really good. Bottom edge looks pretty good. Does have a small nick right there and a little bit of a nick and scuff right there. Otherwise, well, there's a couple nicks right there. Really not much. Really no damage there, just slightly, but not bad at all. Does have the third side sliders on the side. Front has a sliding window in it. Front edge looks good. Does have a small chip right there. And then we have a little bit of a chip right there. And oh, it's hard to see, it's a little scuff mark. It runs right down there. It's on the top though, so it's not that horribly important. No one can see the top. Front edge looks good here. Bottom edge looks nice. Because it is a sliding window, so it slides open, so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Closes back up, seal that back up again. The side looks good. Top and the top edge over here looks nice. Does have a small scuff right there. Bottom edge has a couple of small chips right there. Really, I mean, it's not too off, but oh, there's one. I didn't see one right there on the corner there. Just mostly just stone chips. Not a lot of damage on this one. Bottom edge the rest of the way looks good. Front edge, it's got a small chip right there. Just a small stone chip. Third side sliders on this side as well. Does have the frameless T-handle back door. Now right here on the brake light, looks like we've got a couple scuffs right here, scratches or something. Something has scratched against the top there. Maybe drove under something or bumped it right there on the top. Really, other than that, the back looks really good too. T-handle, twist open. Inside is carpeted. Screens look in good shape. No holes in the screens. Sliding window there. On this side, screens looks pretty good. No holes in the screen here on this side either. Serial number. Oops. It's Ultra Sport G66GS14, so it's the 6.5 foot GM trucks with the 14 to 18 body style. There it is. It's a cab high fiberglass Century Ultra Sport. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Somewhat white in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, deck units, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. There's also subscribe below to keep up to date on any inventory coming in, so because we upload our inventory right away. So if you've got something you're looking for, you can kind of keep up to date with any new videos popping up on YouTube. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.